If you have been a pessimist or you are the on and off type, sometime pessimist, sometime optimist, sometime in between or in a neutral state, then in this video I'm going to give you a step-by-step process and some process and action plan that you should follow to become a super optimist, to become a pure optimist, so that you will able to manifest your goals, desires and dreams, and you should go from success to success. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation, and I'm happy and excited to share something really powerful with you. Like I explained in my last video that what is the secret to big manifestation? It's the kind of person you are. Your personality creates your personal reality, and your personality means the kind of person who you are deep down, deep within. And like I explained, we can majorly say there are three kind of people: the pure optimist, the pure pessimist, and the one on and off type. And if you are yet to watch that video, then check the link here, watch that video, and it will give you a deep insight. And I'm so thankful to all of you for loving that video, and I'm glad that it was an eye-opener for most of you. Now, many of you have asked me like, AJ, how can I change myself from being a pessimist or being on and off time to really an optimist? And this video is going to help you. Now, you know that being an optimist means you are focusing on all the positive things. First, before I give you the action plan, I want you to remember one thing. No one is born pessimist. Yes, no one is born pessimist. In fact, all of us born as an optimist. Because when we take birth as a human, we are the divine creation of the universe. We are the magical creation of the universe. By core nature, we are optimistic. But because of the programming, because of the way you experience the things that goes around, that's what program you to being a pessimist or being the on and off type. So how can you know that you are an optimist or you are a pessimist or you are on the on and off type? The easiest way to know it by listening to the voice within. All the time you are talking to yourself, the self-talk is going inside. So you have to start listening to the self-talk that is going inside your heart, going inside your head. And when you listen to this self-talk, you realize if your self-talk is positive most of the time, you are an optimist. Because it is always giving you the idea, it always telling you what is the possibilities, what is the positive things. But if it's most of the time it's negative, then you are a pessimist. Or if it's sometime positive, sometime negative, few days positive, few days negative, or for some area positive, some area negative, then it's the on and off type. So when you able to change this inner voice, then you could able to change your personality. So to transform yourself from a pessimist or on and off type to the optimistic type, you need to follow the certain tools, techniques and processes. And here is the thing I want you to remember and apply. The first thing you have to do to have this transformation from pessimist to optimist is start listening to your inner voice, start listening to your self-talk. Because when you start listening to your self-talk, then only you could able to realize what is going inside and you have the control to change it. Because if you don't know what is going inside, then how can you change anything? So first, listening to your self-talk. Second, knowing how the universe works. Like the way law of attraction always reminded us that like attracts like. Means if you are focusing on more on positive things, more positive things are going to happen in your life. If you are focusing more on the negative things, more negative things are going to come in your life. So you have to remember this formula all the time, because that is the basis how you are going to start your transformation. Because if you don't know that if you stay positive and there is positive things are going to happen, then why you should be positive? This is the core thing that most pessimistic people they do. They say that by being positive, nothing positive is going to happen. So they chose to be negative person and they stay negative, and more negative things happen in their life. And that's when they say, see, all the negative things are only happening in my life. And that's how they stay negative or pessimist. So second thing is, always you have to remind yourself how important it is to stay positive and optimistic. And the law of attraction, the good basis, good indicator for you to remember this concept, because like attracts like means if you are staying positive and optimistic, more positive things will come into your life. Now the third one, when you start listening to the inner voice, the self-talk, accept all the positive thing that is coming from within, accept the positive voice and change the negative voice. Yes, you have to accept the positive voice and change the negative voice, because then only you could able to do the transformation. Pessimists, what they do, they reject the positive voice and they accept the negative voice. As an optimist, you have to accept the positive voice and reject and change the negative voice. Now fourth one, the best way to be an optimist is start seeing good in everything around you. Whatever is happening in your life, even if you are going through hell right now, you have to start looking for whatever little good in there. And one of the best way for being an optimist and start looking for good is start practicing gratitude. Because when you start practicing gratitude on a regular basis, you start looking for whatever good is there happening in your life or around you. So that is why when so many people go through our powerful 28 magical practice program, which is based on the magic of gratitude, they see tremendous change happening in their life. So many people, they transform themselves from being pessimistic or on and off type to become a true optimist. So practicing gratitude is always help you look for good in everything that is happening. Keep looking for good around you. Now the fifth one, you have to be consistent in reprogramming your mind. Yes, if you have been a pessimist or on and off type for all your life so far, then you won't be able to become an optimist all of a sudden. You have to put effort for it. You have to reprogram your belief system and mind. And how can you reprogram? By doing affirmations, visualizations, gratitude, and all the tools, techniques and processes that I have been teaching in my channel and in my programs. You have to keep applying them again and again and again and again until your voice within change to a completely positive state. You start feeling absolutely positive. And I would highly recommend that you should follow some program or tools, techniques, and you do it consistently, even if you are not seeing the result, even if you are not seeing the manifestation happening. Keep doing it for the sake of transformation, for the sake of you being positive. And when you absolutely become an optimist, you start seeing the result coming. So these are the 5 steps. If you follow, then you can definitely transform yourself even from being a pessimist to an optimist or on and off type to an optimist. All of you have the power. And one thing I always want people to remember is that there's this quote is there from a very inspirational poem, the Invictus. The last 2 lines said, I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul. I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul. And if you really want to be an optimist, you have to remember this at your core mantra. I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul. Because when you keep saying this to yourself, kind of an affirmation or kind of a mantra, you always know that you are in control and you are going to take your life in your own terms, and that's when you stay optimistic. So right now I want all of you to go to comment section and write that I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul, because that's who you are. And if this video has inspired you, like it, share it with someone you love. And if you are new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. If you want to transform really yourself from all your negativities and pessimism to become a truly positive and optimistic person, then you should definitely join my 28 magical practice video program. Check the link in the description section and start your journey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay motivated, stay awesome.